Welcome to the Daily Car Care team today. I'm very happy to take you behind the scenes and share how we pour our hearts into creating the videos you see on our channel. Our vision goes beyond just producing videos. We also aspire to be a trusted partner of YouTube and a content creator who brings significant value and credibility to audiences in the United States. Daily Car Care is a research-driven automotive channel dedicated to studying, testing, and explaining cars, common vehicle problems, maintenance tips, and buying advice. We focus on real-world ownership, how cars are built, how they age, what breaks, and what truly matters after years of use. Our goal is to deliver clear, objective insights based on data, hands-on experience, and long-term reliability, helping viewers understand how different car brands and models really perform, avoid costly mistakes in maintenance and repairs, and choose vehicles that are practical, reliable, and cost-effective over time. With critical thinking and in-depth economic analysis, we gather information from multiple sources, evaluate it with accuracy, and craft meaningful videos. My team and I are incredibly grateful for the warm reception our videos have received from all of you. Your joy and support after watching each video are what motivate us to keep going and give our best every single day. Today, I'm taking you on a journey to explore how Daily Car Care creates the videos you love. Ready? Let's dive in. Before developing any content, our team always YouTube. Policy review. Adhere to the principles of earning money, applying fair use for educational and analytical purposes. We believe that long-term reputation is more important than short-term views. Daily Car Care focuses on real-world vehicle ownership, how cars are maintained, how problems develop over time, and how everyday drivers can avoid unnecessary repairs and costs. We analyze common maintenance practices, repair decisions, and vehicle design choices to help viewers understand why certain car problems appear earlier than expected, how maintenance habits affect long-term reliability and repair costs, what really causes premature wear on engines, transmissions, brakes, and sensors, how changes in manufacturing, materials, and service practices impact drivers. Our goal is simple: give drivers clear, honest, and practical knowledge so they can maintain their cars properly, avoid costly mistakes, and make smarter vehicle and repair decisions without dealership pressure or confusing technical jargon. At this stage, we dive deeper into real-world driving experiences, long-term ownership data, and hands-on observations that show how cars actually perform over time. We don't just look at specs or marketing claims. Instead, we analyze common mechanical issues and failure patterns, maintenance decisions and their long-term consequences, how design choices affect reliability, repair costs, and daily use. Each video focuses on practical car care stories, showing how vehicles hold up in real life, what goes wrong, what lasts, and how smart maintenance and buying decisions can save drivers time and money. Once the idea is finalized, we build a detailed script to ensure clarity, analytical depth, and a message that speaks directly to our audience. This is An Team's content writer and works by identifying the brand, core message, and key takeaways, then builds an outline that follows a clear timeline and highlights important events. From there, Anne built a content flow that was logical and engaging. Every detail is carefully selected to highlight key events, pivotal decisions, and the profound lessons. Once the outline is ready, she begins writing the full script. This process typically takes around 6 hours, ensuring the content is both emotionally engaging and aligned with our creative vision. Before editing the video, we always take time to review YouTube's fair use policy, especially our team member Thuong, who is directly responsible for this stage. She understands that fair use allows limited use of copyrighted material without permission under specific conditions. She is always careful to respect and follow these guidelines to make sure our content remains lawful and fair. For editing, our team works with professional tools such as CapCut Pro and Adobe Premiere, ensuring both quality and compliance throughout the production process. Thuong combines visuals, video clips, narration, and sound effects to bring the story to life, delivering the message and lessons in a compelling way. Throughout this process, she ensures full compliance with YouTube's fair use policy. This phase usually takes about 8 hours to complete. Next, meet Juk An, the designer in charge of creating thumbnails for our videos. Next, Juk An designs eye-catching thumbnails that grab attention instantly, while still accurately reflecting the video's content, message, and core lessons. Once everything is ready, Hung uploads the video to our channel, adds the title and description, and optimizes it for SEO to help it reach the right audience. Our team regularly reviews the quality of our videos and listens closely to audience feedback, so we can keep improving and delivering more meaningful content. We're always pushing to raise the bar, creating videos that are rich in value, polished in quality, and filled with positive messages for our viewers. That's the full process behind every video we produce at Daily Car Care, where we tell unforgettable stories with passion and respect for both our subjects and our audience. We hope you'll continue supporting us so we can stay motivated to create even more high-quality, meaningful content in the future. Our whole team at Daily Car Care sincerely hopes that YouTube will consider approving our channel as an official partner. This would be a huge milestone in our journey, and we trust that the YouTube support team will review our work fairly so we can keep sharing valuable stories with our beloved viewers. From all of us at Team Daily Car Care, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay inspired.